Dental bridge is an amazing type of thing. It's basically multiple crowns that are one piece. So if you are missing a tooth and need it replaced and can have a dental implant, what happens is that we create this one large piece that then looks fantastic in your mouth and is cemented in place and can last many, many decades for you. So it's basically a combination of crowns, which crowns are look like fantastic, like teeth, that are all one piece and are cemented in place. And if you're brushing, flossing, using a waterpik, coming in for regular dental cleanings, it will last you decades or maybe even a lifetime.